Brighten up your garden with festive light sculptures. Stars, bells, and holly create a vibrant holiday display that brings your outdoor spaces to life. Turn your fence into a festive feature with candy cane-inspired lights. This sweet design adds holiday cheer to your yard while lighting up your space with warmth and joy. Add a touch of whimsy to your decoration with a North Pole signpost. Paired with candy canes and Santa's mailbox, this fun display is sure to bring smiles to neighbors and guests alike. Deck your windows with festive holiday boxes. Overflowing with greenery and glowing with soft lights, these cheerful accents bring holiday joy to your home's exterior. Turn ordinary trees into dazzling displays with magical light wraps. The glowing branches create an enchanting outdoor scene, perfect for adding a touch of holiday magic to your home. Bring the magic of Santa's sleigh to your front yard. A festive sleigh and reindeer display captures the imagination and brings joy to your neighborhood all season long. Welcome guests in style with a beautifully decorated holiday archway. The lush greenery and glowing lights create a grand entrance that's both festive and inviting. Add a frosty touch to your home with cascading icicle lights. Their shimmering glow creates a wintry elegance that's perfect for the holiday season. Transform your pathways into a glowing welcome with twinkling string lights and festive candy cane stakes. These simple yet enchanting touches light up your outdoor spaces, guiding guests into the warmth of the holiday season. Add rustic charm to your outdoor decoration with lanterns glowing softly against the winter snow. Surrounded by greenery and pine cones, they create a cozy, welcoming vibe that captures the spirit of the season. Make a bold statement this Christmas with oversized ornaments. Hanging them from trees or adding them to your outdoor display creates a playful, festive look that delights both day and night. Light up your home with the delicate beauty of snowflake wall lights. These glowing designs bring the magic of a winter wonderland right to your doorstep. Spread the spirit of giving with illuminated gift boxes. These glowing treasures make your lawn come alive with festive cheer, adding a whimsical touch to your Christmas decorations. Create a cozy outdoor retreat with a festive fire pit setup. Warm blankets, twinkling lights, and a glowing fire invite family and friends to gather and make cherished holiday memories. Welcome the season with wreath-lit gates. These elegant decorations make a stunning statement, creating a festive entrance that celebrates the holiday spirit.